I hate rain. Today we've come over to Kampong Glam. I think it's like the Heritage Centre. There's lots of colourful buildings, some mosques to visit. You have a walk around and see. So this is Haji Lane. It's known as like the hipster area. Lots of quirky cafes and restaurants and everything. Just gonna take a walk through a bit. As of everywhere in Singapore, it's so colourful. I actually feel like we're in Melbourne walking down here or something. It's really quirky. Lots of shopping though, like those kind of really nice stores that you just want to buy everything in. Look at this! I just love street art. So, I think I've just been tricked into a selfie with a stranger. He wanted me to take his picture, so that was fine. And then for some reason he was like showing me the camera on his phone and put the front facing one, so it was on us, and he was just like, yeah, it will look like this if you use this. And I was like, oh, okay. And then he took the picture and just walked off. I don't really know why. I guess I just look a bit different in this part of the world. But yeah, it was a bit odd. This is the Masjid Sultan Mosque in Kampong Glam, and it is beautiful. I think it's one of the most famous ones in Singapore. I can't get enough of all these beautiful buildings with their really pretty shutters. They're everywhere in Singapore. I think I've taken about 1,000 photos of them. Kampong Glam seems to have like a bit of a different feel about it completely. It's very Middle Eastern influenced. Lots of Turkish restaurants, Lebanese restaurants, lots of beautiful fabrics and silks as well to make things from. It's really nice though. We've just had some, I don't know what it was kind of like a Lebanese style samosa, and it was really delicious. I love Middle Eastern food as well, but it's really colourful here, and everyone's trying to hustle you to go into the restaurant though. But yeah, it's really nice. It's just different compared to the rest of Singapore that we've visited so far. The OFO in it. These are so good though. They have them in Sydney. Just get the app and you scan the QR code, and it's super cheap. It's like 50 cents for 30 minutes. Something like that, and you can just go to town with them. And the idea is you can pretty much leave them anywhere. There are official places where you should leave them, but people do kind of like bend the rules a little bit. Alright, so it's just switching because this one's got like a bit of a weird wheel. So we found a collection, we're going to get another one. Managed to cool off a bit, got a bit dulled up. Tonight we're going out, we're going up to the bar at the top of Marina Bay Sands. I think it's the same level as the swimming pool. It's called C'est La Vie, and we're going to have one drink, but we're going to do it, and hopefully we might be able to catch the light show, but from the top there, we'll see. Oh la la, so fancy. How cool that is.